Today we're going to crochet the Cornelius children's polo. This easy crocheting pattern is the perfect addition for your little one's summer wardrobe. So let's have some fun and let's begin! All you need is French cotton 8/4, 3 buttons size 15mm or 0.59 inches, a wool needle, a crocheting hook size 2.5mm or US size 12, and a pair of scissors. All these products are linked in the description box, as well as a detailed pattern with all the different sizes as a free download, also in the description box. For size 1 to 2 years, we will start with color number 2 and chain 76 plus 1 turning chain. Generally, you will chain 1 to turn at the end of every row. From now on, we will crochet 3 rows with one color and 3 rows with the other color. Your first row is going to consist of 76 half double crochets, which you crochet directly into the starting chain, but not in the first chain on the hook, but the second one. For a half double crochet, please yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull a loop, yarn over again and pull it through all 3 loops on the hook. Next up, you're going to work 24 rows in half double crochets in each stitch. In total we have 76 stitches per row, and please always remember to turn with the turning chain. Let me show you how to change colors. I do it this way: yarn over, insert your hook into the last stitch of the row, pull a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over with the blue thread like with the other color, and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. This is followed by 1 turning chain. I like to knot both ends and directly crochet them into my project as I go. For that, I place 2 threads on the next row and crochet around them. In total, you now have to crochet 24 rows. Please remember the color change. On the next row, row 25, work 56 half double crochet and chain 20 plus 1 turning chain. This is followed by 23 rows with half double crochet in each stitch. In total we have 76 stitches. The front panel is done now, so let's add the button band. For that, start at the opening at the top of the front panel on the wrong side in row 25. Use the same color as the previous row. Now work 1 row with 20 half double crochets, 1 in each chain, creating a little flap. Please turn with the turning chain. This little flap will overlap the opening from left to right, looking from the right side. In the next row, you will create the buttonholes. 1 half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, 1 half double crochet, and then please crochet the following sequence 2 times. 6 half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 plus 1 half double crochet. In total, this will be 20 stitches. Fasten off and sew the bottom edge in place. We will now continue with the back panel. Start with color 1 and chain 76 plus 1 turning chain. Now work 14 rows with 1 half double crochet in each stitch. And again, we will change color after every 3rd row. The next row consists of 74 half double crochets, so 2 less, and then turn. And I will also include a color change here. This is followed by 19 rows with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. So we will stay with 74 stitches. Next up, you have to work 1 row with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch and chain 2 at the end, plus 1 turning chain. In total, we're up to 76 stitches again. From now on, work 13 rows with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch, in total 76 stitches, and we've created the neckline. Now we're going to crochet the sleeves, either in blue or yellow striped, or like me, I chose pink. For the sleeves, start with chaining 28 plus 1. Now you're going to work 33 rows with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. This means 28 stitches in total. Fasten off and make one more sleeve the same way. Now the project will get the finishing touch. Sew or crochet the front and back panel together along the shoulder seams, working from the wrong side. Working from the wrong side, again, sew or crochet the sleeves onto the body, one by one, with the middle row of the sleeve aligned with the shoulder seam. Afterwards, crochet the sides together, starting at the bottom of the body, working all the way down each sleeve. I will do that a little later. Next up is this beautiful collar. You will start with the last color in the top corner of the button band at the neckline, here, and work 1 single crochet all around to the opposite side. And again, remember the turning chain. The second row is worked with 1/2 double crochet and 2/2 double crochet in 1 stitch. You will repeat this until the end. So first 1/2 double crochet and then 2/2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Afterwards, work 5 rows with 1/2 double crochet in each stitch. The next row is again worked with 1/2 double crochet and then 2/2 double crochet in 1 stitch, which you repeat until the end. In the final row, please work 1/2 double crochet in each stitch and break the yarn. Now, working from the wrong side at the bottom of the button band, behind the flap, you will now work an edge with 1 single crochet in each stitch along the button band until you reach the corner of the collar. In the corner, work 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. Continue along the collar with 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach the corner. In the corner, work 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. Continue down along the rest of the collar and fasten off before you reach the button band. Now we only need the very last finish, sew in the ends, add buttons, and then you're ready to use this lovely little polo shirt. As you can see, this little one is already enjoying the polo very much and can't wait to go outside and enjoy the sun. I wish you happy crocheting and have a lot of fun. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tune in next time again. Bye bye!